Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to change the language in Google. If Google's interface is displaying in a language you're not familiar with, or if you want to switch to English or any other language, here's how to do it. First, open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com. Then sign in if you haven't already. The quickest way to access the language settings is by typing "language" into the search bar. If you don't want to use the search, click on Personal Info on the left. Scroll down to find General Preferences, then click on the language settings. Here, click Add another language, and search for the language you want to add. Once added, all your selected languages will appear in a list at the top. If you have more than one language in this list, Google will use the one at the top. To set a specific language as default, click the arrow button to move it to the top. Alternatively, you can remove all other languages and keep only one. Once you're done, Google will automatically update the language for all Google services like Search, Gmail, YouTube, and other apps. In some cases, it might take a little time for the settings to update. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button to support the channel. See you in the next video.